Grabe, 51 ka na, Miss Cheryl. Hindi ko alam wala naman sa itsura.
Naku, salamat po. Ay, 51 years old. Oo.
Kasi mukha na kasi. I was 45. Living a life never lived without you by my side. But I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong. Find it over, see. That I used to wrong, and I learned how to get along.
From outer space, I'm just walking to find you here with the sun looking on your face.
Change and super long, I should make you feel.
If I have no for just 1 second, you'll be back to bother me. Oh, now go, open the door, just turn around now. I don't want them anymore. We're to the one who tries to hurt me. Sa bawat Pilipino araw-araw, lalo pa marami tayong challenges sa buhay. So, thank you for the laughter every day na binibigay niyo sa bawat tao.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Naalala niyo po akong iba kanil.
Legit Tower Guides.
Of course,
Miss
always and
Cheryl.
forever. Thank you.
Sherilyn Reyes Tan.
Legit Tower Guides.
Thank you.